Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try to save or invest, you always end up back at zero? It feels like there's an invisible wall stopping you from building real wealth. We're constantly told we just need a better strategy or to just think positive. But here's the truth. Your brain is biologically coded to sabotage you. Today, we aren't just talking about manifestation in terms of wishful thinking. We're talking about neuromanifestation. We are going to look at how you can physically rewire your brain to think like a seasoned investor. This isn't just about money, it's about your identity. Your brain is an efficiency machine. It loves cognitive consistency. This means that if you deep down identify as a spender, someone who is always a bit financially tight, your brain will subconsciously make choices that confirm that identity. When you try to invest, but your brain thinks you're a person who doesn't have money, it triggers stress. Your amygdala, the brain's fear center, goes into survival mode because you're doing something that doesn't match your self-image. You end up sabotaging your investments, not because you're bad at math, but because your brain is trying to protect the identity you've already built. Here's the good news. Your brain is plastic. This is called neuroplasticity. There's a principle known as Hebb's law. Neurons that fire together, wire together. It means that every time you repeat a thought or an action, you are literally building a physical highway in your brain. If you want to be an investor, you don't just invest money. You have to invest thoughts. You have to force your brain to fire those investor neurons so often that they become your new default setting. How do we do this practically? Here are 3 quick hacks to rewire your brain. Linguistic coding. Stop saying, "I'm trying to save money." Start saying, "I am an investor." It sounds simple, but it sends a signal to your prefrontal cortex to prioritize your long-term goals differently. Visualizing the process. Most people visualize the outcome, a big pile of money. That actually doesn't work well. Instead, visualize the process. See yourself logging into your investment app calmly. See yourself learning about the market without fear. Train your brain to associate investing with peace, not stress. Micro-investing. Start small. When you invest even a tiny amount, you give your brain proof that says, "I am the type of person who invests." It's not the amount that matters here, it's the neural confirmation you're giving yourself. You are not your old habits. You are the architect of your own brain. Every time you make a rational, growth-oriented decision, you build a stronger path toward the future you are manifesting. If you're ready to build the brain that creates wealth, hit that subscribe button below. Let's get those neurons firing together. I'll see you in the next video.